No matter what type of hearing aid you wear, it is important to clean them regularly to keep them free from wax, so you can hear clearly. When cleaning your behind-the-ear hearing aid with ear moulds, there are some simple steps you should do daily. First, wipe the hearing aid using a clean, dry cloth. Using the brush provided with your hearing aid, gently remove any wax or debris from the ear mould and main device. If there is any wax in the tubing of the ear mould, detach the tube from the body of the hearing aid. Carefully clean it out with a blower tool like this one. Reattach the ear mould to the device. Once a month, the ear mould can be removed from the device and carefully washed with warm soapy water. Only do this once you have removed the ear mould from the main section of the device. Leave the ear mould overnight to dry. In the morning, use the blower tool to remove any remaining water before reattaching to the main device. Never wash the part that sits behind your ear with water, soap, chemicals, or any alcohol, as this will damage the hearing aid. If you would like some assistance, our audiology professionals are always here to help. Contact your local Specsavers or book a hearing aid repair appointment online.